Trying to figure out if you're pregnant can be a nerve-wracking experience. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, First Response Early Result. Let's kick things off with the First Response Early Result Pregnancy Test. Priced competitively, this kit includes 3 test sticks and is designed for early detection, which means if you want to know as soon as possible, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The first response test claims over 99% accuracy from the day of your expected period, and it can give you results up to 6 days sooner than your missed period. This is a game changer for anyone anxious to find out if they're expecting. Plus, you can read your result in just 3 minutes, so you're not left waiting and worrying. Now, some people complained about the accuracy not being as high as claimed if taken too early. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions and wait until the right time to test, it generally delivers reliable results. If you tend to be impatient, this might be a deal breaker for you, but for most, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're eager for quick results and want to test early. Skip this one if you prefer a more budget-friendly option, but the accuracy and speed justify the price. Now, if the waiting for results with first response stressed you out, the next one might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 2, clearblue Advanced Digital. Next up is the clearblue Advanced Digital Ovulation Test Kit. Though it's positioned for ovulation tracking, it helps you get pregnant faster, and that's a crucial part of the equation if you're trying to conceive. What really caught my eye is that it claims to double your chances of getting pregnant in your first cycle. With over 99% accuracy at detecting the luteinizing hormone surge, you can confidently plan those intimate moments. The digital results screen shows a clear smiley face for high and peak fertility days, which is super helpful and easy to read. However, some users noted that the app can be glitchy. Now I get that this can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to track your cycle accurately. But the core product itself is highly trusted and recommended, so if you're tech-savvy and can utilize the app, it's worth the hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a proactive tool to assist in conception. Skip this one if you're looking for just a pregnancy test and not ovulation tracking. For the value, it's a fantastic investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is all about simple, straightforward testing. Product number 3, Clinical Guard Pregnancy Test Strips. Now let's talk about the Clinical Guard Pregnancy Test Strips. If you're looking for something economical, this is a fantastic option because you get 25 strips in one pack. These strips are designed for early detection and can sense HCG at a sensitivity as low as 25 mlu/ml, providing results in just 5 minutes. Plus, with 25 tests, you can test multiple times as needed, which can soothe that anxiety while waiting. However, some folks mention that the results can be a bit hard to read, especially for those not experienced with test strips. Here's the thing though, once you understand how to interpret the bands, it becomes straightforward. It could be a deal breaker for those who prefer digital results, but for the price and quantity, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want a cost-effective way to test repeatedly. Skip this one if you want a more straightforward digital readout. For value, you honestly can't go wrong with this pack. Now, if the strip format isn't your style, let's look at a couple of prank options that might give you a laugh. Product number 4, Fake Pregnancy Test Prank Kit. Next, we have the Fake Pregnancy Test Prank Kit. Now, this one is strictly for laughs, and it's pretty funny if you're looking to pull a harmless prank. You get 3 tests, and all you do is soak the tip in water for 20 seconds. It's so simple and realistic that it can definitely catch someone off guard. The packaging looks legit, and the reactions you'll get from friends or family can be priceless. But let's be honest, the main flaw here is that it's not meant for actual pregnancy testing. Some people may misuse it, and that's a big no-no. But if used correctly, it can be a hilarious icebreaker at parties or gatherings. This is perfect for you if you love a good gag and want to prank your friends. Skip this one if you're looking for a serious pregnancy test. It's inexpensive and fun for those who enjoy lighthearted humor. Alright, if you thought that was funny, the last product is another prank but with a twist. Product number 5, Skylity Fake Pregnancy Test. Finally, we have the Skylity Fake Pregnancy Test. This is another option if you want to have some fun, and it's very similar to the previous prank kit. With 3 pieces included, you can soak the tip in water and get a positive result. It's designed to be indistinguishable from a real test, which could lead to some hilarious reactions. The quick results in 3-5 minutes add to the fun. However, like the other prank test, it's meant for jokes and not for actual pregnancy confirmation. So it's important to be responsible with how you use it. If you're looking for an actual pregnancy test, this is definitely not the one for you. This is perfect for you if you're planning a prank and want something that looks legit. Skip this one if you're in need of serious testing. For the price, it's a lighthearted buy that can spark some fun moments. To wrap it up, we looked at a range of pregnancy tests today. The first response early result is fantastic for quick results. Clearblue Advanced Digital is great for tracking ovulation. Clinical Guard offers bulk savings, and then we had some fun with the prank kits. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the first response because it balances accuracy and early testing perfectly. Personally, I'd avoid the prank kits if you're actually seeking a real pregnancy test. They're just not designed for that. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.